that we make can stand from weather condition. So this is our cardboard house. I decorated also to make it look nice, and we don't know what to use for the weather condition, so I figured out that we can use the hair dryer for our weather condition tryout that our house can stand. So let's try it out. I can say that my house can stand for better condition, but in real life, of course it cannot, because it's just a cardboard house. So, I prefer to use the big one, because if it's that small, I'm not sure that it will, get from the roof down to our house. But if you do it tall, it may be cut on half. I thought it would be small, but actually when it comes, it's very big. Yeah, so that's all for today. Bye!